Yo, what's going on YouTube? Arash here, and then welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Mitsubishi Galant. I think I pronounced it well. Mitsubishi Galant VR4 here for the full wrap, and then in this video I decided to show you how to remove the door handle. So before I start, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification to not miss my video. Let's get into it. So this is the Galant VR4, and then I did remove so many parts, and then still many stuff to do. I work like kind of the body work, sanding, and then because the paint at some areas start to peeling, that's why we did sanding and then make it smooth to get the good wrap on. And then in this video we're gonna talk about remove the door handle at the rear door. The front door gonna be much easier, and then same process. So watch the video until the end, because this car gonna be same as the other Japanese, like I recently worked with the Skyline GTR R34 and also Silvia S15, exactly same process. To remove the door trim, it's really simple, easy. It has some cover like this, very small one, and then you can see the screw here, and then another one it's here, okay? And then one screw here, and then another one it's inside the door catch. So I'm gonna remove those. I say a Skyline and then also R34 and also Silvia gonna be same, not meaning exactly 100% the bolt everything gonna be in the same location, no, but the way is the same. They just having the 2 or 3 screw, and then for the removing the door handle, exactly same process, and then you only need the screwdriver and then 10mm socket. So when you remove that one, you have to remove that plastic, and then inside this one also have the one cup, okay, like this, that cover, and then another screw is here. If you are beginner, I recommend that don't use the drill, because possible to grind the bolt. Today Korea is super cold. And then you need to lift this one up in this way. Okay. And then now door trim is free. Just grab it. All is push pin. Sometimes and then at the end you have to slide it up like this way, and then only has the one connector for the window switch. Done. Now we're gonna, for door handle, first you need to little bit remove this plastic. Probably gonna rip off because they're getting too old. I'm not gonna touch that sticky black stuff. Okay, and then as you see, one bolt is here, 10mm, and then here having the one bar with some plastic, they are hooking together and then lock. That is the door handle mechanism, how it works. We have to release that one, and then right in front of the door latch has another 10 millimeter bolt. So first you need to remove this one to get the access for that bolt. For the front door, you don't need to remove that one there, because here is the bigger, and then you can see the bolt right in front of your eyes. Okay, to remove the door, that 3 bolt for the door latch for any car, those are, because closing by the machine, it's very hard, especially when getting the old, and then possible to grind, especially with the drill. So I recommend that I already did. Just put your screwdriver like this before the start, and then hammer it or hit it 1 or 2 times, getting more tighter, and then help the screw to open really well. I did before that, so I just gonna open it with the drill. Okay. Yes, Nissan R34 Skyline exactly same. You have to remove this one and then bolt right this there. And then you have to push this one to move from the location, and then let you to. Okay, one thing. Let me bring the camera in. Before remove the latch, okay, let me focus well. Okay, if you see here that plastic tab, okay, you have to release that one. Look at that. Okay, it got open. And put your hand in, and then take this one out. That one is for door handle. It's gonna come off with the door handle. This one. So that like bar, it's gonna go to this hole, and then it's gonna come up and lock it here. So you have to remember that is the same process when you want to put the handle back. And then now you can remove the latch. I'm gonna remove it, that last one again, and then now with pushing this one, just not do anything really with hard push, because of, you know, the old car, it's really easily to break. Okay. Bring the light better. Okay, can you see that bolt right there? So you need to remove that one. Okay, now you can see well that gold color. Okay. Yeah, this one actually it's very short, and before go for the second one, put the one bolt of the latch back. So that one you need it later for put the door handle back in. So one enough for it. And then I'm gonna go for the second one. Okay. And this is the second one. So you are done here. Only things you need to grab the handle from the other side. So now the handle are free. You have to look at my hand, grab this one, and then little bit pull it up to make the space for this one to coming out like this. That's the super easy to remove if you know what to do. And then after you remove the handle, you need to close the door and work on. And if you want to know how to open the door, if you see this one, you just need to put your finger and then push it down. That's the how this handle mechanism works. That's it. I hope you guys like it, and then if you have any question, please comment below and contact me. And if you are interested to learn how to wrap from the beginning until at least you start to wrap your own car, please contact me. I will send you all the info. I made very nice package, 15 video on it, and then it's including everything. I didn't hide anything. I teach you everything I know for the beginner. So please contact me if you interested. So see you guys very soon. I'm gonna come back. Take care. Bye bye.